looking at the sum, difference, and double angle identities. Here are the 9 identities for the sum, difference, and double angle. You'll find these numbered on or in the document that I've provided. So we are going to write each expression as a single trigonometric function. So on the left-hand side, I have an expression, and I need to identify which identity follows the pattern on the left-hand side. Please press pause and make sure you can identify which identity 1 through 9 follows that pattern. So we recognize that this follows the right-hand side pattern of identity number 2. So therefore, cosine of 5 pi over 6 plus 3 pi over 8. So that was the sum identity where alpha plus beta, where alpha was 5 pi over 6 and beta was 3 pi over 8. In other words, we can try to add these through a common denominator. The lowest common denominator is 24. So the above expression is equivalent to the cosine of 29 pi over 24. So again, we're going to write as a single trigonometric function here. Now let us look at those identities. Please press pause until you think you've won or found the winner. I'm assuming that you've found the identity. So this follows the right-hand side pattern of sum identity number 3. Where the tangent of alpha plus beta, where alpha is equal to 30 degrees and beta is equal to 45. So the above really can be simplified into one calculation, tan of 75 degrees. Let us look at another one. Please press pause here and try to identify which trigonometric identity, sum, difference, or double angle. In fact, this follows the right-hand side pattern of the double angle identity number 8. Where alpha is equal to pi over 6. So what we get, pardon me, I missed a step there, what we get is this is cosine of 2 alpha, where alpha is equal to pi over 6, and 2 times pi over 6 is pi over 3. Please note how the question stated, write as a single trigonometric function. Some of you right now may be wishing to evaluate cosine of pi over 3, and that's fairly easily done.